Guys, what's up? Today we will be doing Scratch for Beginners Part 3. And I'm sorry I haven't been uploading lately. It's, yeah, I promise I'll upload like 10 videos. Okay, no, maybe not 10 videos, but I'll try and upload at least like 2 or 3 times a week, maybe. So, yeah, but this is Scratch for Beginners Part 3. And, oh yeah, okay. I deleted my code for, from the project we made the last time, because today we will be learning about the Looks tab. I know, Looks tab is amazing. And then, now you can finally worry about your costumes, because they are you can do pretty cool stuff, like very cool stuff. I'll show you some examples. But first let's just learn about this. But I'm pretty sure we learned about these 3 events in the last video. And yeah, so today we're going to be using when flag clicked, or you could do when whatever key you want pressed, or when this sprite clicked. I'm going to do when flag clicked. It's your choice. And then, so looks, let's just go over the blocks. So there's say hello for 2 seconds. So let's say I just drag him right here. He's going to say hello for 2 seconds. You can change this code. You can change it like I like Scratch. Now it says I like Scratch. So, yeah. And then there's say hello. It just says hello for the whole project. It's not like for a certain amount of time. And then a think is like those bubbles instead of like saying it actually. So think, maybe I should subscribe to Game Developer 1234 on YouTube. Oop. Well, now it's gonna think, maybe I should subscribe to Game Developer 1234 on YouTube. And guys, if you haven't, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button and the notification bell so you don't miss any uploads. Yeah. And so, oh wait, what am I doing? Alright, and then it's like the same thing. It's just gonna think for the whole project. With the think block. And you can edit it like da da da. There we go. It says da da da. Okay. Now, this is where the costumes come in. So, as you can, so look. So let's just name this blue, name this yellow, and name this purple. Alright, there we go. So, you can make it switch costume to blue, then make it switch costume to yellow, then make it switch costume to purple, which is pretty cool. And then you can draw your own costumes, which we'll get into later. And then there's the next costume. So whenever you do that, it's going to switch to the next costume. So the costume after blue is yellow. So now it switched to yellow. And the costume after yellow is purple, which is purple right there. So purple. And yeah. Now the backdrops. You can switch, let's just, well, we already have 2 backdrops, right? Yes, we already have 2 backdrops. So switch backdrop to blue sky. Okay, but then we can make it switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Yep. And then there's also options: next backdrop, previous backdrop, random backdrop. And then here's the next backdrop. Yep, it works just like the next costume, but with the backdrops. And then there's this change size by 10, which makes it grow bigger and bigger. And then you can do -10 to make it go smaller and smaller. And then you can change the values to basically whatever you want. -100. Sure. There we go. Now it's tiny. Yep. So you can do pretty cool stuff with this. And then you can set size. That means what its size should be when the project actually starts. Or well, not when the project actually starts. I like to put them when the project actually starts, so you can actually see where everything is. And then change color effect. This is something you're gonna like. Everyone likes it. It's gonna change its color effect. So let me just demonstrate this. You don't need the loops. We're gonna talk about the loops later. But you can see it changes colors. Yeah. And you can also change fisheye, which just makes it grow weirder and longer and longer. And then you can do whirl. You can't really see whirl because I'm clicking the green flag. There we go. You can change the whirl effect. You can change the pixelate effect. Pixelate it. You can do mosaic, which can go crazy. You can do brightness. Yeah. And then you can do ghost. Ghost is one of my personal favorites. It just gives this nice fading effect. Let me just do 10. It fades so nicely. Like a smaller number. Look at that. And then you can do -7. And wait. Okay, I'll explain this later. But here's another one. A set. There's this set one. You need this set to do this. So set ghost effect to, let's say, 100. So it's basically hidden. And as you can see, it comes in very nicely. And then so what the set does is it basically, the set size, it sets that value at the beginning of the project. And yeah. And then there's the clear graphic effect. It means it just clears all of these effects. Change color, set. It clears all of those. And then there's the show and the hide. So once I click show, it's going to show. And then once I click hide, it won't show at all. It's hidden. Yeah. And, okay. So, and then there's a go to front layer. And to explain that, let me just get another sprite here. Random. Let's just get bananas. Alright. So as you can see right now, the balloon is in front of the bananas. But if you want the bananas to come in front, there's 2 ways to do that. First, for the balloon, you can make it go to the back layer. So it's gonna be at the back. Let's say there's you're in a classroom and then there's a bunch of rows. We're gonna call those layers in Scratch. And go to back layer means it goes all the way to the back of the classroom. And then go to front means it goes all the way front. all the way to the front of the classroom. Yeah, and then there's these. You don't need to worry about these that much. Like, if you just select them, it could show the costume number and stuff. But, you can, like, mess around with these when, like, you're a more advanced scratcher. But, yeah, so, let's build a simple program here. When flag clicked, say, I subscribed. Okay, this is my sentence. Guys, hit the bell icon to never miss an upload. And be sure to do that. So, yeah, let's just put an exclamation point. And then, first, let's make it hide. Then, let's change the ghost effect by 100. And then it's going to say that. Wait. And then make it show, and then it's going to say that, and it's going to hide. There we go. So this... Oh, let me get rid of the bananas. Okay. What? On flag clicked hide. Change a ghost. What is wrong with this? It's negative 100, my bad. There we go. Yay. Alright. Here are some examples. So you just need to go to Explore and do animation. And like all of these animations are made by costumes. So let me just see inside the project real quick. And let's let it load. Thanks to Quacks by yeah, he made the project. Just letting you guys know, this is not my project. See, those are costumes. And then, trust me, there is a lot more. Like, you see, there's so many costumes. There is 93 costumes. You can check out this project. I'll leave a link in the description down below. And yeah, so that is it for this video. Hope it was helpful to you. And yeah, be sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell icon. Like, see, even the balloon says it. Alright, I'll give some, if you don't believe it, I will give him some eyes. You just, see, I will give him some. See, he says it. He says it. I totally did not code it to say that. But yeah. So I will see you guys next time. And yeah. Bye. Peace out. Whatever.